this is my daughter Elise.
I'm Owen Hayes, and I'm Owen. I'm Lenny, and this is my sister Adeline.
And I'm Joanne.
We started in the egg business in 2012. We bought this farm from my dad, and we had previous chicken experience in the broiler industry. And we built a new barn, and we've been fortunate enough we've been able to expand every year. We decided to get into the egg business. It was something that was interesting for my wife, and she really enjoyed having the family in the barn. We find the eggs is a little more family friendly than the broilers, basically because we're able to bring the kids into the barn every day and help gather eggs and monitor the chickens. I think probably the whole family aspect, getting the family involved. Kids are eager to learn and eager to help out. It's just nice to have my wife and the kids around when we work in the barn.
And I guess what we also enjoy is knowing that we're providing a healthy, safe product for other families to enjoy.